Really long chine. It's the same. Let's call it. Today we're going to be taking a look at some different clips of some old Pacific Surfliner engines before they got overhauled, and then how they are now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see the video. First off is Pacific Surfliner engine number 460, and this one is actually currently in for overhaul. Next up is Pacific Surfliner engine number 462. This one, as of February 13th, 2016, is still running on the Surfline. Next up on the list is Pacific Surfliner engine 454. This one has actually been overhauled, and we have a video of it since it has been overhauled. So after this video, let's go ahead and check it out. Now next up is Pacific Surfliner engine 455. This engine has been overhauled since, but I have not gotten a video of it yet.
Check 580 out on the clear, 175, 4 over.
Not on the clear, thank you.
Here we have Pacific Surfliner engine 456, which also has gone in for overhaul and come back, and we'll go ahead and check out the video for that. And last but not least, we have Pacific Surfliner engine 457. This engine has been overhauled, and I have a video also to show you right after this. I saw! Also, we can't forget Pacific Surfliner engine 450, which actually just went in for its well-needed overhaul.
Happy birthday, Derek. Josh, you guys have a good day.
What am I thinking? I almost forgot Pacific Surfliner engine 451, which actually went in for overhaul and came back, but I haven't been able to get a video yet.